In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clipped or angled corners in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly soften or trim the corners on your shapes so your designs feel cleaner and more intentional. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Head to the file or page where you're working so you're looking at the canvas you want to edit. Make sure you already have a shape ready to go. Something simple like a rectangle is perfect for this demonstration, but the same approach works for other shapes too. Click to select your shape. Now, look over to the right-hand side of Figma in the Design panel. You'll see a field labeled Corner Radius. This is the control that shapes the edges of your object. Type a number directly into that field or click and drag on the value to scrub it up or down. As you adjust, you'll see the corners update live on the canvas. A small value gives you a subtle, clipped feel, while a larger value creates a more pronounced, stylized corner. If you ever want to go back to sharp corners, just set the value to 0. If you want even more control, you can adjust corners independently. Click the Independent Corners icon next to the radius field to unlock the per corner values. Now you can give each corner its own number, which is great for layouts where you want. For example, only the top corners softened and the bottom corners left squared off. This technique adds visual hierarchy and can help direct attention to specific parts of your design. A couple of practical tips as you work. Keep an eye on consistency. Using the same corner radius across buttons, cards, and input fields helps your interface feel cohesive. For subtle, professional polish, try small radii for dense UI and larger radii for playful or spacious layouts. Also, remember that the corner radius works with strokes and fills, so your shape's color or border won't affect your ability to adjust the corners. That's really all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, select your shape, and adjust the corner radius on the right. It's fast, it's visual, and it's easy to refine until it looks just right. Save your file when you're happy with the result, and you're ready to keep designing with clean, clipped, or softly angled corners that match your style.